Right, boom. So, um, what I let's fix this time here, +2. So it's clear that on the 15-minute time frame, made a bearish change in the state of delivery. You see that this is the highest up close candle. This is a series of close candles. So over here, right? And so we close below it, we trade back into it here, and then we moved lower into this short-term low here. But there is this unfilled fair value gap. I don't know why the opacity is so high. Right? So we've made 50 minutes state of delivery. There's this unfilled gap, but we've cleared these relative equal lows. But you see that now we are returning to this propulsion block here. See, the most ideal entry would have been here though. Stops right above. But anyways, that's just a 50-minute time frame. If we do the daily quickly, what do we see? Well, okay, cool. We traded through this entire gap. We've wicked up into it and gone down. We've cleared sell side. However, in this regard, we did run the buy side with these relative equal lows. Where were the lows I was looking for last time? There was a time when price. Oh, shit, sorry. I'm so lost that we actually swept these lows already. So, anyways. So you've got this fair value gap here, which was still in, right? And then you've got this daily inversion here, and I'm assuming also a small inversion. Is there is there inversion here? Yeah, there is. No, if you're low and you're high, there's no inversion here. So you've got this level here, but this one, you could say that, long term, only unfilled daily gaps I see are, you've got this one down here, and then you've got this one on top here. But I do believe that we're likely to, say move low, but that's just on the 24. Just want to check the 5 minute to see what it's done so far. So I need to go buy batteries for this mouse, man. So in terms of the 5 minute, right, it has created this PPR here, but you've got these exact lows here. So again, who knows? So anyways, so there's nothing significant here. Just in terms of general sell side, man, or with a relative equal highs. I mean, yeah, like this, I guess you could say that there's remember, like on the daily, this is that unfold gap, right? And over here, in terms of the 15-minute time frame, what's pushing price back down is, like I said, this up close candle, because price has made an inversion on the 15 and an up close candle, and there's this unfold gap here. So if I'd had 1 minute involvement within the macro, do you see, to at least give you a decent setup? If it had pulled back to, say, like over here even, right, then that's it. That becomes the trade for the session, targeting these exact lows, eventually this unfold gap, and that's your 3R. But no pullback. The whole reason why it would be a 1 minute trade is if we're still within the macro. But yeah, anyways, so we were on the daily at some point. So it's just, what is it now? Price. Let's move this here. Hi. Price is trading within an unfilled daily high, within a daily SIBI. It has wicked into it, wicked through it, but closed, but, but closed below the fair value gap low. Also, you see how, and also I guess that the daily has made a bearish change in the state of delivery. You see this form of bullish up close candle. You closed past that low over here, and you rejected the highs here. So that's why I'm also supporting this short bias. Price also made bearish just on the. This was the 14th of October. Then it retraced to EQ, but stayed within. So this is. I'm just gonna call this the P. Let's say the down close candle. So just to illustrate this, that's the down close candle high. And in terms of the daily, so that's it. All right. So I can screenshot this. Yeah. So the 8 hour shows that 2 a.m. just completely hit this bearish propulsion block and then fucked off lower. But we're still trading within this. You see, we've made an inversion fair value gap here. Honestly, yesterday's 10 a.m. would have been perfect because this whole candle just moved down. A couple of points, cleared sell side, and just pushed higher into this gap. Because this was a short-term low here, 2 a.m. 6 p.m. move back down. Now 2 a.m. tries to now reject. So now you ask yourself, what is it rejecting? Remember on the daily we spoke about this high here, right? And you have this up close candle here, which has now been traded past. You got a bearish propulsion block, even here as well. So this gap thing here will stay because this is the daily levels, all right? So now these get deleted, and so I say, cool. In theory, this is now I'd say this is an 8 hour bullish propulsion block. All right, so and also if you just look at it from this low to this high, we're at EQ. So let me draw that here. Now we're trading into bullish PB and also at EQ. Close past both the I could maybe argue there's this buy side, buy side above this. So this is a 15-minute time frame. Now let's see. So the price trade into this fair value gap we're talking about here. So if you check the 5-minute button code, I'm high and I'm low. Seen this model so many times. It's usually a buy program, but like I can only engage it once you've had the breaker made. Yeah, the red isn't showing that nice, but yeah. What gap is this? No, it's just a 5-minute gap. What? I forgot what it was. So this is a 5-minute sub here. To be honest, on the 5-minute in itself, this is a buy model here. I mean, this is we've cleared exactly those with an up close candle, where you could say optical long there, and up close candle as buy side, and then you do a full on pull. What you see here on the 2-minute, like I was saying, you would need a close above here for it. Did we get it? No. In fact, we traded into an inefficiency here, which might see us price lower, waiting for 2 minutes test. All right. And you can see here, you know how many times I would have seen the market be up here and be like, oh, it's going to run away from me. Hasn't been viable, but there's no bullish breaker. I mean, you could hold it right here. Think of it. Your risk is almost nothing, right? I feel like just $5 behind this, and say you want this buy side here. Just watch. Just watch. Mm-hmm. Anyways, look, these great trades which I wish I could take, but it's just I don't see it. I mean, now it's nice eye candy to be like, oh, you know, I could have maybe already even been up 1 hour on that, but the trade I'd actually want is that all the way up here. Yeah, it's a great trade, but and the only reason why I would is because prices left this 15-minute busy here before. So in my head, I'd be like, nah, I'd want to see it support it here, and then you know, like in high on longs. Obviously, your stop loss would have to be say 1 point below, which I guess you would have been stopped out here anyways. So I guess here I would have been stopped, but no entry was taken. So in terms of the 5 minute now, 5 minutes made a bearish propulsion low here. So um, so in terms of the 4 hour, I mean this candle closed outside of the busy, closed above fair value gap high. Previous candle closed below fair value gap low, which would make an inversion fair value gap. I guess this here you could consider an intermediate term high, and all of this here after this close was simply a retracement to the OTE areas. Um, just gotta wait and see. See how yesterday there had been that here. I took a buy model from here into this high. I mean, it wasn't anything significant. It was a very, very quick move here. But then afterwards, I was like, this is the whole model I'm talking about, of where you can watch a trade into it, and you guaranteed to find the 1, 2, 3 minute sell model. And then you just target the form of those here in the 1 hour. So yeah, I'm not saying I would have taken this one here, but in terms of this sell side, easy one. So yeah. One this is the 1 hour bullish breaker here. There's no immediate 1 hour fair value up to target. Also, one thing I've kind of noticed is this: if the market delivers in So yesterday it did fairly well, as you can see here during London. Does fairly well in London. 12 o'clock. I've been wondering to myself, what is 12 o'clock? What is 12 o'clock? If you look at the machine is actually a bit irritating sometimes. It's just fun. So yeah, so like I was saying, um, so it delivers here. Oh yeah, it's this whole logic here. I mean, let's see. 1 hour inefficiency, reaction, it moves. Chops, chops, chops here, nothing. 1 hour inefficiency gets made here at 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock brings what? Trades back down into it. This is also a bullish breaker. What is 2 o'clock? This is the start of the new 4 hour candle. So you have longs here into the gap. You could have maybe taken trying to short into the gap here. Not sure how successful you would have been with that. Because I mean, like, you've literally made a bullish breaker here. Then you try and fade this. Bullish change delivery here. Dinner, it feels like, oh. See, chopping, chopping, chopping. 2 o'clock runs lower. We make another bullish breaker here. A fair value gap. So literally on that tap here, you go long, it stops. And what is on top here? That's your buy side. So is it a crazy 16 off 30 odd trade? No. But bread and butter setups here. 3.3 risk to reward there. Easy. And also, so now what would have gone and done is, so let's look at it this way, right? When the gap was made over here, because I bought this bullish chain in the state of delivery here. But even when I did buy it, right, what I didn't like, the lowest time close candle was made by so many wicks. This one was made by this, then the bullish chain in the state of delivery had this, and you're like, it wasn't it was neatest move, right? But then like on the cells, you have this little gap here that's formed, right? We don't come back to it. We're respecting the wicks here. We respect this inversion fair value gap here. I mean, so like these, this here from over here with the stop above here, that could have been this initial short, right? And that's, say, if it's this happened, already still in London, and then at 12 o'clock, you get this change in the state of delivery. Well, I guess it happens at 11:35, and then 12 o'clock gives you the volume. And why would it happen at 12 o'clock? Because look at you see here, it won't let you see the 12 hours. If I were to open MetaTrader here,
Incoming mail.
it's like having a mini daily time. So I think, anyways, I just want to hide the account number and then change this to, I'll stop sharing window. Okay, cool. So here you can see the 12-hour time frame and how it all works and stuff. So like a day like this, you say this repulsion block here, just mark this level. That's the level to note. Okay. If we change screens back to this one, 8153. Obviously, yes. If you saw on that other daily, we went to the open, and that opening, well, we fell short of the opening, but we were within the wick, right? So it's basically from 8153.7 to 8160, right? But see, we just fell short of it. So Once we enter here, 5-3, why not? Because the 6 hour, because the next 8 hour candle is about to open. But let's assume, eager eager beaver stops get run. Cool. Then here we make, when 6 o'clock starts, we make an inversion fair value gap over here, close below it, propulsion block, and we're like, cool, let's sell spread. And then let's move all this here. So then you opted to go short again. There. You would have been up over 2 hour until eventually price reversed and ran for your stop loss. So let's say, you're not a bitch boy, you wanted a decent move, right? So, stops get run. Tough. Would you be complaining? No. It's the fucking trades, dude. Like, to sit here and bitch and moan about not getting perfect trade, it's nonsense. Like here now, this is a 5 minute Buddhist change in the state of delivery here. I don't want to take it because I don't have a 1 minute fair value gap to target, and I feel like I might be fucking myself, right? But I don't know if I should take this here. Yes, we were within the breaker. We've traded to the mean threshold of the breaker, but what inefficiency am I targeting? There's nothing immediate. If anything, there's just short-term lows here. Um, yeah, look, maybe it's just me trying to, being like a massive pussy and all, but one, alright, let's just see. That's one. So, yeah, it's this one. This my bullish just in the high, but did so with a large bottom hook. Yes, price is but I do not see an immediate in fee CNC to target. I will have to ignore whatever run the market gives me now, because it is not my trade. So yeah, am I being a bitch? Probably. But model is a model, man. Like, look, if we were on the 1 hour yesterday, right? Let's look at it this way. I don't go. Oh yeah, so sorry, I was responding to a message. So it's like this, right? Yesterday, you don't see any inefficiencies here. Eventually, price trades into one. But why are we ignoring this gap here? Kind of, we're not full on ignoring it, but it's we've we've traded to it once, twice, 3 times. Then it is 4 times at 9 o'clock already. Right? Which gap was it? Was this new gap here, made between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. So at 8, boom. Or I guess trying to take the longs up into it. But in hindsight, I should have been on these shorts. I should have ignored these longs, and then gotten short or whatever. Because I'm sure on whatever macro, like say 9 o'clock, you could have found something for the trade. But you see here, okay, let's imagine this low gets swept here at 11 o'clock. All right, 11 o'clock. What do you that you could have found a model there? The 5 minute after that low gets is swept in that. Yeah, it was this change in the state of delivery here. So yeah, it does happen here at 11. 12 o'clock gives it the volume again. Why would you also take in the 12 o'clock bullish mitigation block? Technically, your stop is below here, right? And then if you were, whatever, you ride that bitch out. Um, but like you see here, just look at this thing. That's when it makes your bearish change in the state of delivery. Look where this candle opens. Look where the falling on the close. So that one closed lower. So this by this candle opening higher here. Yeah, this one. Let's zoom into it. Fuck! I need to bring these things back here. Hot and cold, wanna know. So it's a price made bearish chest by closing 0.1 points below up close candle. There was no retracement in the form of a wick, but price did open at same level as the bearish O, as the bearish OB low. This would have been a good entry, something to keep in mind for El Futuro. Right, let's screenshot you motherfuckers again. Anyways, back to today's price action. Yeah. Oh, what could have been? Oh, what could have been? A good old trade. What could have? Remember, bullish changes in the state of bullish changes in the state of delivery that are weak can sometimes produce a price run. However, look at this one here. This wasn't a bullish change in the state of delivery. This is a propulsion block made, right? And I guess you get a price run up, and then it comes down. Then you get this change in the state of delivery here at 6. Market chops for an entire hour, thinking it's gonna stop yard. And then it does what? Dumps. So your trade here would have looked like see that? It would have been a dirty bitch of a trade, but still would have worked. Say like a better planned stop and a decent entry. There's stop about below here. I mean, this it could have been 2 hour, and I do feel kind of bad about missing this here, but I didn't miss it. I mean, yes, I had the 15-minute PCS support over here, but big bottom wig, yes, we got a change in the state of delivery. I guess this was a reclaimed bearish order block or, bullish repulsion block, so stops could have been below mean threshold and that. So like here, but hey man, these are the kind of trades that I've just gotta let run away because yeah. Oh, to watch it run without you. Mm-mm-mm. Fucking hell. 4 hour already. Well, 15-minute inefficiency after clearing sell side. Buy side still intact. Ugh, dude. What a peach of a trade. there was everything I wanted, right? Um, what do you call it? The inefficiency, the bullish breaker here, everything was set up, but it was simply on the 1 hour. There wasn't that clear inefficiency that I was looking for. But yeah, I mean, there was a bullish. I mean, there's a. Oh, well, I mean, to be fair, man, that was my trade for the day, but I just kind of let go here. 15M aligned. 5M gave bullish breakback and bullish chest. Is but I wanted efficiency, but looks like the I should have focused on was the clear 1 hour bullish breaker. You win some, lose some. Hello.